At the point that we have clean water in the hopper, clean water surging out the wet end of the gun, we want to now clean the inline filter on the gun. To do that, we turn the pressure down on the pump, remove the safety on the gun, and just remove the pressure from the gun. Apply the safety on the gun and then start to dismantle the gun. On this type of gun, we have a simple twist grip process, and eventually just mind the excess wastewater dripping to catch that, and then there we have it, the filter, inline filter in the gun. Remove the twist grip sleeve. So we've uncovered the filter, that just twists slightly and pulls out. At this point, I place this filter in some water and I just circulate on this system, or recirculate on this system, water through the pump just to make sure the inline part of the gun and the inner part of the hose is nice and clean. So as you can see, on every pump you can circulate the paint in this way to clean the internals of the pump. I would leave that safely now, making sure it doesn't fall out the water, and take the filter and clean it thoroughly. A nylon brush to just brush the outside, running water, or even an old toothbrush is very, very efficient in cleaning terms.